to.
Hello.
Okay, we go one by one. We are going to. I'm going to ask. What do I ask about general knowledge? Suubi has run away. Suubi. Okay. Tell me about what do you think about the war that is going on between Russia and Ukraine? What do you know about it? Who goes first? Do you
know what's happening between Ukraine and Russia?
Tell me about the war between Russia and Ukraine.
What you think about it?
Okay, but Tata, don't judge me. I've not been watching a lot of it, but I've watched too.
I won't judge it. I don't. No, hold on.
What you know just?
I won't judge you. Just what you know. First of all, wait. What do you know about that war? The causes, what caused it, whatever. Just what you know.
So what caused it?
Okay, no. What do you know about that war?
Louder.
Wait, was it Russia or Ukraine? Oh, yeah. Russia was bigger than Ukraine, and Russia thought that their country was smaller than Ukraine, and then Russia wanted to take half of Ukraine, but Ukraine said that Russia was bigger than it, and then Russia got annoyed and started the war, and then it kept on going on, and then you started to support Ukraine, and then they were very annoyed, so they were keeping on shooting missiles at Russia, Ukraine, to make sure all those people go away so they can take Ukraine.
Wow. So, in brief, what does Russia want?
Russia wants to take over Ukraine.
Okay.
How do you know all that, Sue?
Okay, and what does Ukraine want?
Ukraine wants to live in peace.
Wow. And you on your side, who do you support?
This is hard.
Yeah?
Let her give us her opinion. Mama, who would you support?
Your opinion matters.
So, I give you my opinion, but I'm not yet going to give who I'm supporting.
Yeah.
I'm going to give my opinion.
Yeah.
So, I agree with Ukraine.
Yeah.
It should be that they leave Ukraine alone.
Yeah.
They live in their peace. But also, I agree with Russia a tiny bit. Cause Russia, it has some people who are died and they are losing some things, some space to other countries.
Okay.
So they want to get some more space.
Okay. So you agree with them a tiny bit for them to take Ukraine's space, yeah? Now, Shadrach, tell me, what do you think of the war that is going on between Russia and Ukraine?
It is completely irrelevant. Russia, first of all, wanted to bring back the Soviet Union, but first of all, all the other countries had refused to join.
What's the Soviet Union?
The Soviet Union's like that entire continent, like the US.
Oh, states and stuff.
Yeah, states and stuff.
Yeah, maybe
The whole
just
continent.
Almost.
yeah. It used to be one country.
Yes, it used to be one giant country, but now they broke up. Ukraine is its own country. As you know, Ukraine has 2 colors, but it used to have 3 since it was in the Soviet Union.
Okay.
So now, instead of having 3 colors, it has 2 on its flag, and it's completely independent.
Yeah.
Russia, after Ukraine had completely refused to join back into the Soviet Union, Russia thought that it would be a good idea to attack Ukraine and then just make Russia as the Soviet Union. And people